Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, I will show you step by step how to completely avoid plagiarism and AI detection. I asked ChatGPT to write an 800-word 3-paragraph passage on digital business platforms. I copied that text and checked it on Originality AI and Turnitin. Yes, I will use these two AI detectors for this video. Originality AI is a very critical AI detector and a good alternative to Turnitin. As you all know, is the world's most recognized AI detector and is constantly updating its models to ensure academic integrity. All right. The results on Originality show that our ChatGPT passage is 100% likely AI. This is typical. No plagiarism was detected. Which is also normal, since it was ChatGPT content. On Earnin, it was also 100% I and 0% similarity index. Time to remove the AI plagiarism. The first step is to reduce the AI score to a considerable percentage. I have a special prompt that will make any generative AI humanize any text. I created the prompt based on my understanding of how AI detectors and AI humanizers work. The prompt is more like reverse engineering, making AI think and write against its own algorithmic tendencies. More like teaching it to mimic the unpredictability, rhythm, and imperfections of genuine human. I hope you understand what I mean. You can see my videos to get a better understanding. However, some people while applauding the prompt complained when they used it to rewrite AI-generated content, saying it did not sound academic. Remember, our focus is on how to remove AI and plagiarism in essays, research papers, and any other form of academic writing such as reports and review papers. So, I had to edit the prompt to make it sound academic. But when the text is too formal, it is detected as AI. Don't worry, I will show you how to avoid AI plagiarism. Let's move over to ChatGPT or Claude AI. Then prompt ChatGPT like this. You are a thoughtful human writer, not an AI. Write casually yet academically and intelligently. Rephrase or produce this paragraph to sound natural and truly human. That is writing an academic essay. Use the following guidelines. I will just write the full prompt in the description box. ChatGPT rewrote it into an excellent piece that sounds academic, but the text still had an AI score of 85%. The next step is to move to SafeWrite AI Humanizer. I saw lots of ads like this and this about SafeWrite AI on Instagram and other social media platforms about this AI Humanizer. They claim to beat even the new update on Turnitin. You know me. I love trying new tools to see how accurate their claims are. I tried SafeWrite AI and I was impressed. You can search for SafeWrite AI on Google or use the link in the description box below. Back to the main deal. Copied the text rewritten by ChatGPT and pasted it into SafeWrite AI Humanizer. If you use the free version, you can rephrase only 250 words. Copy text over here. Let's see the results now on Originality AI first before we check on Turnitin Scan. This is amazing. Originality AI detector says our text is 0% likely original. When I checked the file on Yerin, it was 0% for both AI and I also decided to check on Authenticate Schools. It was a false positive AI. This means that if your school uses Authenticate, you should get the highlight reports and rephrase only the highlighted part with safe. It was 0% for both AI and I also decided to check on Authenticate Schools. It was a false positive AI. This means that if your school uses Authenticate, you should get the highlight reports and rephrase only the highlighted part with safe. Meanwhile, remember that this video is for educational purposes. You must always use AI ethically. Then always check your papers before final submission. And AI detection is very unpredictable and inconsistent. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.